Let's turn to Harvey Weinstein, who again, somebody else I knew for a long time, disgraced, shamed, imprisoned, and so on. You've launched a big public defense of him. Why?
It was actually, I got in touch with him kind of quite accidentally. There was a mutual party who felt that I was the only person, despite me and him having very varying views, very strongly varying views. He's on the left, obviously I'm on the right, that I was the only person that would look at his case fairly because I have been a vocal critic of the Me Too movement. And to be completely honest, before he and I got on the phone, I believed he was guilty because, well, he was found guilty. And also because the media had even done a number on me in terms of there were just so many allegations, it was difficult to sift through or to not reasonably assume that something had to be true. And so I took a look at the case and was positively shocked at what I discovered. I believe Harvey Weinstein was wrongly convicted. And the reason that he is sitting in prison is because of the media. It was a trial by media and not a trial based on the facts. Now, I want to be very clear here. This does not mean that I think Harvey Weinstein is an upstanding citizen or a moral person. He was completely immoral. That's why he found himself in this circumstance. He was cheating on his wife and by my regard, therefore, cheating on his children. But that's not, you don't put somebody away for rape because you think that they're immoral or that they abuse their power. Hollywood has operated the same way for a very long time. It is a world in which people will prostitute themselves. Women will prostitute themselves for parts, for a chance at becoming famous. And it is rightfully, New York just overturned the decision and is sending it back down to the lower courts because they had the appellate judges, acknowledge the fact that it was essentially a kangaroo court. They were convicting him on character and not based on any of the facts.
I mean, over 90 other women came forward to say or to make allegations of sexually criminal behaviour against him. Does that not give you pause for thought, the sheer volume of people all with similar stories?
That is exactly why I believed it, because there were so many women. And then I hadn't even, and I'm sure you didn't realize who actually put him away. How many of those women put him away? And the answer is 3. So it went from 90 accusations, which the media kept hammering into our minds. And it came down to the testimony of 3 women who had consensual sex with him after their alleged rapes, according to their very own testimonies. The 2 women in New York in particular had consensual relations with him thereafter. And when you see the email sent to him, the text messages sent to him, asking for parts, asking for, tickets here, tickets there. One woman in particular brought her mom to meet him. It just, your brain kind of comes undone and you recognize, wow, what happened here was wrong. And like I said, it doesn't condone his behavior. It doesn't condone recognizing your power in Hollywood and recognizing that women will sleep with you simply because they think that you're a conduit to their success. But wrong is wrong, and Harvey and I don't have to agree on politics or agree on moral character or agree on theology in order for me to say that he was wrongfully, in my belief, wrongfully convicted and should be freed.